I'm Gavin, and I'm going to teach you how to make these delicious roasted sweet potatoes. First up, I peel the sweet potato. You could keep the peel on, but I prefer it without. Next, I cut the sweet potato into large strips. Watch your fingers. Make sure you use a sharp knife because sweet potatoes are not easy to cut. I add a little cornstarch to the sweet potatoes. That helps them have a crispy texture in the end. Next, I add a little walnut oil, but you can use olive oil or any other vegetable oil. And now it's time for the spices. I love fresh rosemary from the garden, so I chop it up right here. Now, here's a look at all the spices. Starting clockwise, we have rosemary, cumin, black pepper, the onion powder, some ancho chili, and in the center we have a little salt. And now I mix in the spices and give them a shake. You can do a little dance if you want to. I just wasn't feeling it today. Place them on the baking sheet. Make sure they're not touching each other so they can cook evenly. And now to the oven. If you use a toaster oven, bake at 400 degrees. If you use a traditional oven, bake at 425. I cook these for about 20 minutes, flipping them over halfway through. And now it's time to flip. Be careful, they're hot. I pop them back in the oven so now they can finish cooking. I take them out of the oven and rest them on the counter. They are golden brown and delicious. And now it's time to dry. That's the best part. These are good. Nice. Here's my recipe. Feel free to experiment with your own spices and proportions. One medium sweet potato prepared like this has about 200 calories and lots of nutrition. Sweet potatoes are very high in beta-carotene. They also have vitamin C, fiber, B vitamins, and minerals. Not only does the oil help make them crispy, but it also helps you absorb nutrients. People have been growing sweet potatoes for many thousands of years. They are super easy to grow, and I have grown purple, orange, and white varieties. Some people even eat the leaves.